Kind of color through the trees. Looks good going across the hayfield though. And lighting the flag up nicely. I've been in the shop dinking. Cows have all come up, but I just don't feel like leaning over in bins and scooping buckets at the moment. Excuse me. And, I'd con Ty into doing it, but she's going to be a while. Ordered some stuff yesterday. And, wait, oh, there it is. There's the orb. That's like frickin' end of June, the other end of June, into August. Should be like over here somewhere, but oh well. Tis where it is. Plug in for the baler to put in the tractor so we can plug the monitor in. And I think what else she had coming. Anyway, I think that was supposed to show up. First one I found happened to be the cheapest plug-in. It was coming from A&I. And it was going to be the 14th of June before we'd see that. Like, I don't think so. So I found another one there. I mean, I don't think it matters where they come from, as long as it's the right thing. A couple dollars more. And it was supposed to show up at her place like 7 o'clock this morning. Iceman, what are you doing, buddy? You can't figure out how to get back in? Oh, there we go. Look at that. We get some zooms out of ACAF around here anyway. Oh, buddy. Yeah. Yeah. You think you want some grain? Well, if I'm really quiet, I can feed you and go do something else for a little bit. I might even get Becky to feed for me. I don't know. Good morning, Blakely. Yeah, I didn't catch you talking because my camera wasn't on yet when I came in the door. But you were talking up a storm. Huh. Little. Hey, little girl. Say good morning. That's how you feed them. It's kind of like feeding cows. You feed them on the ground.
No, the thing your wife doesn't say.
Well, I had to do some rearranging. My jumper cables used to sit on top of everything in here. There was 2 jack stands, 3 jacks, and some blocks. Yeah, jumper cables are up there with the other little ones. Everything else is in the compartment underneath the crane now. Shovel and axe and bolt cutters are in the wheel well compartment on that side now. Because that's the only place she'll fit. And the bottle still fits right there, so. Anyway, getting stuff out of the shop so we can make room. Trying to get the makeshift table cleaned off so we got someplace to work on the cab kit. Ty's still scraping foam. That's kind of a pain in the ass, but this morning she says, oh, it's too bad they don't sell it with the plastic on it. I said, they do, kid. But instead of around $300 for the whole thing, it's around $1,500 for the whole thing. And I'm sorry, I got better things to spend money on if I got to spend it. You know, hint, hint. I mean, $1,500 would almost do both of them. Won't touch the back ones, but I won't even do one back one. But that just about do the fronts. So anyway, all the cardboard boxes that were in there, I got all cut up small enough to fit in the frickin' recycle, and it's damn near clear full. This stuff's put away for now, but I probably need it for this tractor. I still got to decide other things on this tractor. That's kind of the end of the worries there. And you know, we might get the baler in the shop today. It's going to be maybe close. We'll see. And haven't heard anything, but you know, here a few weeks ago or a couple weeks ago. Oh, come on, brake release. our friend Ben, not little Ben, the other Ben, log truck driver Ben, his sister was going to bring a horse out for Mom to ride. And it didn't work out. The weather wasn't cooperating. And I mean, the way it worked, it happened to be dry when they were going to be here. Well, not raining. Everything was wet. So it was put off to today, and I haven't heard anything. So you might get some of that. You know, that'll slow part of our day down. But that's all right. We got to do what we got to do. And frickin' Iceman, I think he spent the night outside. Then he went in to eat. Then he's been back outside yelling at me a few times, and he must have gone back in to take a nap. That's all right. He's taking care of himself. Knows not to be outside when it gets too warm, I guess. I just checked the killdeer eggs. They're all 4 there, right in the middle of the screen. Mama's sneaking back over toward him. Behind that cone on the right. Oh, there she is. Now she's to him. And, yeah, none of that's clouds. I think they're having some fun painting today because we got east to west, which we rarely see, and I see at least 5 of those, 6, 7 of them, 8, 9. And we even got them to the west of us. And what the heck? The moon is still up. I don't know if we can see it on here or not, but it's right there over the top of those branches on the cherry tree. They're kind of pointing straight to it. I can't tell if it's there on the camera or not, but I can see it. And those are all, heck, there's one there being made. Yeah. They didn't do enough yesterday. Or they're just off a day, I don't know. Sure painting the skies today, though. Anyway. And I hope we got cows out there somewhere. Kind of looks like most of them have probably been across the creek now because I see quite a bit of grass knocked down. I haven't seen them since this morning. I got Becky to feed this morning, so I didn't have to. They were all down here earlier, though. And not seeing any calves over there on the other side of the bridge waiting to get let out kind of tells me that at least they're not being stupid. If they're crossing back and forth. Oh, I think I see some. There you go, see them in the camera. They're underneath the little burnt out maple tree back there. And there's probably some across the creek back there. Anyway, got the baler moved earlier. A bunch of water flew out of it. They moved a bunch more stuff out of the shop now. And that thing still got C90 in it, which I still need to go out and put up there. Because I just flat haven't got to it yet. Story of my life. This is the fun part.
I hate my job.
She said last time, granted it's been quite a few years ago, she said that putting some water on
The
the phone.
International was the last one.
Oh, you did? That was all in the cab. That wasn't on the plastic, but yeah, I guess that was the last one.
And it did work on.
That's still
all
been
of it.
a few years ago.
Yeah, no, but the last one was International, and that one was.
That's been quite a few years ago now.
I
But
hate this.
there is really no good way to get stuff off. I mean, I don't know, maybe IA Farmer knows. AJ, what do you think? You do a lot of cabs. Cab kits.
If you're closer, I would just tell you to get your ass over here.
Oh, we've talked about that before. Anybody that
Because I hate it.
anybody that don't follow AJ, he's a John Deere boy, but I won the Case IH banner from him in a contest on one of his videos 3-4 years ago, whatever it's been now. When I used to actually win things. What?
I won the baler, though.
That's a little different.
Still winning.
Anyway, we were talking earlier. I don't remember if the yellow foam stays on those or not. I haven't dug in to pull the kit out yet. But hey, look, she's got a table to work on. And yeah, stuff's still in here. I just cleaned up a couple of things outside. Hopefully get rid of some cardboard boxes. Now she gave me that dumb look. Uh-oh. Maybe I cleaned up stuff she wanted to do something else with.
No. I had an idea, but I think it's going to ruin the plastic.
What? Dip it in diesel? Yeah, that'll ruin the plastic. Acetone? Yeah, that'll leak the plastic. Hit it with a heat gun, see if it'll burn it off without smoking the plastic.
Would you shut the hell up? The paint remover, but it would remove the plastic though.
It'll probably eat the plastic.
Well, because it says there's some. I think ours says that it would work on plastic, but I don't remember.
Yeah, there's however many different ones out there, but I told her
WD-40.
Maybe, but then you got to get it cleaned off enough you can get the glue to stick again.
Alcohol.
That might eat the plastic too, just like dumping it in gasoline.
I use them on my nails, and the thing it doesn't eat the plastic off of them. So rubbing alcohol.
I don't know.
Gets the sticky off.
I don't know. Anybody knows? Tell her. I mean, by the time you see the video and you tell her, it's going to be too late. I have taken wire wheel lightly to them before, and that gets stuff off pretty decent too. You just got to be careful.
Well, he just volunteered. You guys heard it. He volunteered to do that on the inside of the cab.
What's inside the cab to do?
Are you retarded?
Don't give me the dumb look.
The ceiling?
Well, that's your problem, not mine.
Bullshit.
That's you're doing that. You told me it was all done in there. Then you threw all this stuff outside.
That fucker's gonna get.
Anyway, this is a fun job when it's not 80 degrees out. It's even funner when it is 80 degrees out.
I was dying in the cab, but it wasn't 80 degrees out.
Yeah? Because we don't have air conditioning in here.
Typically, it's in the tractor.
But if we ever end up with a different shop or a new shop or whatever, whether it's here or someplace else, it's going to have something. One way or the other.
We're just going to have two gigantic fans, one on each end of the building, and it's just going to draw out the heat.
Yeah, bring all the outside heat in. Because sometimes it's actually cooler in here than it is outside. Just not always. Anyway, that's almost 4.5 minutes of gabbing about her getting this stuff off of here. Yep, she's still having fun. And she broke one. Stick her back together. Oh, two technically. Oh yeah, that's right. She broke a piece off of here too. It's
well, the one broke when it came out.
Right here.
That little piece didn't.
And this she broke getting it out. It's from behind the gear shift. And this one, I kind of figured it out. I looked at some decal remover we have, decal and glue remover. It says don't use it near any plastic.
No.
And we talked about, well, she talked about WD-40, but then you got to get it clean again. Y'all know what WD-40 does. Guess what's working? And so far, it doesn't seem to be affecting the plastic. And
I just put it in the dryer.
Gotten all the way down to here in just a few minutes. So get that done.
Go ahead and check it.
Try this in, wipe it down. I'm wondering what kind of napalm-like substance we're making, but it's going to go out in the burn barrel when I'm done. I know that. Well, that's as far as I'm going to go with that tonight. It worked good. That scraper.
We have like one, okay?
Guys, you got a pile.
We have one.
I think we're going to do a little blue and throw there too.
I'm almost at
But keep in mind,
I don't know what is.
those have been, this is at least the third time it's been redone. So, they've been in and out a few times. We'll make them work. I'll glue hold that one back together too, I hope, one way or the other. But Becky finally came to the shop just to bring her out. Just to give us a break for a little bit.
She's going home soon.
Hey, turkey butt. Hey.
Everyone's camping again.
Because the weather starts to turn off
Yeah,
traffic.
guess what? You're on camera again.
You say hi, Grandpa?
We got to get you on camera today because we won't see you till Monday.
The day before the birthday.
Yeah, the day before you turn 1, we'll finally get to see you.
Hey, Blake. Happy birthday.
Yeah?
Are you going to film that night and put up later?
So Tuesday night will
Probably.
be later than normal. So don't
No,
freak
I'll
out,
probably
okay?
do my normal Tuesday video. And then we'll put the other one up later for
For birthday.
birthday. Don't know how long it'll be. It might end up being a short. Who knows? No, it won't be a short. I'll avoid putting her on shorts because they're kind of like TikTok videos. You get some strange people seeing those.
Her
sometimes.
smash cake is going to be a Highland cow.
I don't know why we gotta have Highlands around. We don't have any.
No, but they're cute.
Aren't gonna have any.
I would not say that ever.
I would.
You ain't ever gonna have one because those are skin and bones with a
I
fuckload of hair.
just want a miniature one.
No,
All they are is hair.
literally, that's all they are, Mom.
Hair and an
Yeah,
attitude.
you're gonna see her out there.
All your dad is
Freaking-
bald.
You're gonna see her out there
Point me in.
braiding. You're gonna see her out there with the little heifer braiding her pubic hair.
No.
because you can't see
I'm going
it.
to do what the people do up here on McCormick Hill that have the goats, party goats. I'm going to have some miniatures, couple miniatures. I'm going to charge people to come in and see them.
You're gonna charge the cuddles.
So apparently she's moving out. I
$100
don't
a
know.
cuddle. See?
Cuddles, and then I'll get a pull
Anyway.
one camera, take pictures, and charge them for it.
Where are you going?
You get to see Blakely before she goes.
Patty cake, patty
Get to
cake,
see her get
those
abused. She has to
man.
clap
Big
her face with her
booties
feet.
you
And Becky
can.
licking her feet. I don't know. I don't understand that. I can see tickling them.
What happened there? What happened there?
Bug bite.
So I don't know how much farther we're gonna get. I do still have a trailer load of crap out there to take out and figure out what to do with what's in that cart.
Oma?
Empty box and another empty box on that.
Oma?
Then we can bring that over here and have 2 tables.
That's Loma.
Can you say grandpa? Can you
Yeah.
say tiki?
Things never go as fast
What
as
does
I
Ducky say?
expect. Of course, 10 million
What
other
does the
things
ducky
pop
say?
up that have to
Hey,
get done
does that go
too.
quack quack? Quack quack.
On the phone again today for
Does that go
probably an
quack, quack?
hour.
Rubber ducky does.
Quack quack.
But hey, if I sell something, I sell something, right? They don't have enough money to be able to afford paying for the cap kit. And hopefully some more things. Huh?
You gonna sell yourself on the street corner?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, make 1 penny if we're lucky.
No, they
Maybe,
charge us.
maybe I'll get one of those pennies that's worth $10,000. See?
Maybe you ought to start a GoFundMe for your tractors.
I need this tractor.
Yeah.
It seems
Might need one for the other one.
We can
Anyway.
make him in his underwear do tractor. He can do a calendar.
Thanks for watching, everybody. These two, I don't know. Sometimes I wonder who they're related to,
God,
especially
chicks
that
on
one.
the cars will be the old farmer in his underwear on the
No,
track
if
by the
anything, you
tractors.
saw the baby.
Okay,
You saw the
Blakely.
baby picture.
Blakely, tell everybody. Hey, look at me.
Hey,
Tell everybody,
say
thank you
bye-bye,
for
Grandpa.
watching.
Say bye-bye.
Thanks for watching, everybody.
Bye-bye. Good job.
And we'll see you.
Say bye-bye.
We'll see her Monday.
Good job.